Sometimes you may face the issue of FFmpeg not found in Audacity. To solve this, go to Audacity Preferences and then Libraries. If FFmpeg is not installed on your system, you will see the FFmpeg library not found message. You have to download the software. Click on Download. It will take you to an Audacity page where you will get instructions to download and install FFmpeg. Click on Installing FFmpeg. Installation of FFmpeg for different OS is different. Choose the OS you are using, and you will find a specific guide for that OS. I will choose Mac OS. It gives me a link to download FFmpeg. This is the web page where we can download FFmpeg. If you scroll down, you will see links to download FFmpeg for Audacity 3.2 or later. I will download it for Mac OS. If you are using Windows, choose that. Download the file and install it. Double-clicking on the file will start the installation process. I am skipping the installation process details as it will be typical for your OS. After the installation is complete, close Audacity and open it again. You will see the FFmpeg version if installed successfully on your OS. If you have installed FFmpeg, but the not found message is still showing, make sure you have restarted Audacity. If the message still appears after restarting, manually locate using the Locate button. Thanks for watching, and see you next.